special screening ang isinagawa para sa pelikulang Derby Dragons, kung saan sinagot din ito ng batikang direktor na si Roland Joff ang iba't ibang katanungan hinggil sa nasabing pelikula. Ang buong detalye sa ulat ni Kren Holong Bayan.
Nagkaroon ng isang special screening ang pelikulang Derby Dragons na dinaluhan ng ilang mga film enthusiasts at experts. Kasunod dito ay ang isang exclusive teleconference kasama ang director ng pelikula na si Roland Joffe. Dito pinaunlakan ng direktor ang ilang mga katanungan ng mga nakapanood ng pelikula, kagaya ng kung ano ang dahilan ng paggamit ni Joffe ng fictional at real-life characters na sina Saint Jose Maria Escriva at Manolo Torres. Ayon kay Joffe, ang dalawang tauhan na ito sa pelikula ay representasyon ng mga ugali ng tao.
In a word, you can't separate these two men. You could look at this movie as going into the inside of Jose Maria's brain and seeing the side of Jose Maria's brain he doesn't listen to, that he forgives, that he relates to. So Manolo, in a sense, is an imaginative character because he's drawn from many people Jose Maria would have met. But pretty much everything that I got Jose Maria to do in the movie is based on what historically happened. And that's art. I mean, you have to mix the two kinds of truth.
Naging masaya si Joffe sa naging reaksyon ng mga manonood sa kanyang pelikula. Ikinatuwa ng direktor ang mga kwentong nabago ang kanilang buhay matapos itong mapanood. Si Joffe ay isang English-French director na nakilala sa kanyang mga obra na The Killing Fields at The Mission, kung saan umani siya ng 2 Best Director nominations sa Oscar Academy Awards. Sa higit 3 dekada nitong paggawa ng pelikula, aming inalam kung ano ang tingin niya sa paggawa ng pelikula.
Filmmaking is a shared, at all level, experience because you have to share, your ideas into a script, which has to be shared with actors and technicians and then shared with an audience. So it's a shared spiritual adventure that has one overriding and overarching problem, which is it has to entertain as well as inform.
Kren Holong Bayan, News Team 13.